Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to enable invisible mode in Badoo. Now let's begin. Do note that you can do this from your mobile device as well. On any browser of your choice, simply type badoo.com and hit on enter right now. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. Now what we need to do is simply enable invisibility mode. For that, let's go to settings. Right here at the bottom right, here's something like profile. Simply click on it. Then this will open up. From here, what we need to do is simply go to settings. The button's on the top right. It's a gear-like icon. Simply click on it. Once you're in the settings page, well, there are lots of options like basic info, notifications and such. But right now, we simply want to focus on invisibility mode. The button's right here that says invisible mode. Click on it. Then this will open up. It's gonna give you a few options that says Badoo won't tell people when you've visited their profile, and Badoo won't let people know that we've got Badoo Premium. Do note that to enable invisible mode, you should be subscribed to Badoo Premium. I'm gonna show you guys right now. It's asking me to either buy Premium or Premium Plus. Only after you buy it, then can you enable invisible mode. Well guys, that's it. That's how you enable invisible mode in Badoo. It's as easy as that. The only thing you need to do is be subscribed to Badoo Premium. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Thank you.